Hi everyone. In our previous video, we have went through Google's Code Assistant in VS Code Editor. Okay, if you have not checked, please check the link in the comments. So today we will look at the CoPilot's version of the AI chat assistant. So first, before we have to start, we have to install the GitHub CoPilot extension in VS Code. Okay, so you will see two types of extension. One is GitHub Copilot, another one is GitHub Copilot Chat. The GitHub Copilot Chat is the one which has the features to integrate as an agent. Okay. The other one, it basically is an assistant that helps you when you write the code. Okay. So let's go to my local VS Code editor. For today's sample, we will try to add a Kite MCP server. Okay. So first I have installed the Copilot extension. You can see it from extension marketplace. It's already installed. Okay. And next step, what we have to do is we have to set up the MCP server for Kite. Okay, so search for settings.json. Okay, so it will be inside this particular path. It's inside app data. This is where my the local VS Code setup takes up. Roaming code users. Okay, and here it's JSON file, and you have to add the snippet. I have taken the snippet from the Zerodha website themselves. So you can read through it directly. So I will quickly show you the home page. Just search for Zerodha MCP setup. Okay, so this is a site. So they have given multiple options. The one is Claria. So I have taken the VS Code version of it. Okay, but I have used the Claria version of the config. Okay. So for sample, I will post the same MCP command in the video comments, so you can use it as sample. Okay. So after adding, you will see that the Kite MCP server is reachable. It's able to fetch, and you will see 24 tools available. And if you go here, if you look at show output, you will see that the ping is continuously successful. That means our local machine is able to reach Kite MCP service. Okay. Let's go back. Okay. Now, how to add it in your Copilot agent? Okay, so after you go to view and open your Copilot agent, okay, so you will see multiple options. Okay, so if you see here in the bottom, there's a mode. Okay, so you will see two types of mode. One is the agent, one is ask. If you go with ask, it's simply going to respond to your prompt. It's like a chat. But if you take it as agent, it can do work for you. Okay, select the agent and you have to choose the model. So I have picked up the cloud version of the models. Even I have my local version models. So in later video, I will show you how to integrate your local version of models so that you will not have to pay for the usage of API calls in future. So currently it is free, so I'm using GPT 4.1 model. Okay, so it's much faster. Okay. I have chosen it. So this model can be chosen based on what kind of operation you are doing. So that's how the documentation says. We will explore this different types of model, in which case you will use different models and see it's working. Okay, now let me ask a prompt because the MCP server is connected. And to check your different integrations with this chat, you go to this configure tools. You will see the different integrations or the different functionalities your Copilot can do. Okay, so you can see built-in. So these are the built-in functions that is internally available for the AI to operate. So as soon as we added the MCP server, so you can see the MCP server is available now. Okay, so it has multiple options like cancel order, delete GTT order, get holdings. So all the methods are available. So make sure this is available first. Even login is available. And the extension for Python is also available so that if you want to write code using Python, it can be available. I have also integrated the DB code database management. It's simple actually. So go here and you have to add more tools. then you can start integrating your tools. So whether you add MCP or install extension. Okay. So if you want to install Copilot related extension, check this out. As soon as you do the search, right? As soon as you hit the enter, it will automatically go for the search with stack language model tools. So all these tools, as soon as you install, the AI Copilot can recognize and use it as its tool, its own tool, and do it's like uh, all these tools are ready made to get integrated with Copilot. Okay, so it's added benefit. Okay, now MCP and Python is integrated and code database is integrated. Okay, let me try to write a prompt. Let me I will show you regrets from Kite MCP. So as soon as I hit, it understands that it's MCP call for Kite and it asks me to fetch. Okay, I'm allowing it. Okay, so basically, initially it will show you a prompt for a login actually. Okay, because I have already logged in, so it's not asking me. So my browser session has enabled the Copilot to do. It's just a button you will see. Okay, display it as table format. See, as soon as I ask, it's going to display it in a table format. Okay, so list all my holdings. In the same table format with PL column and yeah, let's see. Yeah, this is great. Insert this table into. I have integrated one of the DB code extension. Sorry, extension called DB code. To be Mango DB using DB code. It's trying to retrieve the connection from DB code. Okay, let's see what kind of connection. Okay, MongoDB connection connect. It's trying to retrieve the database. Let's see whether it is successful because it's a NoSQL database. Yeah, it said something. Let's see what happened. Yeah, here execute query. Okay, put the query for us. Let's see insert. I hope so. So that's the problem inserting table into MongoDB. The most likely cause is formatting or connection issue. So you like to try with different approach, so you can, yeah. So we will figure it out later. So for now, this output is much good for me. Okay. So thanks for watching. Stay tuned for new videos.